I'm meeting you in sad and tragic circumstances involving the loss of life of a young member of Killeagh, Private Seán Rooney. Private Seán Rooney was 23 years old, and he joined the Defence Forces just 3 years ago. He was regarded as very bright and deeply committed to a career in Killeagh, and he had served previously abroad. This would have been his second period, and his home base is the 27th Infantry Battalion in Dundalk, but he's from Newtowncunningham, County Donegal. And very early this morning, when I received this very sad information, I issued a statement to say how tragic it is. We are all deeply appreciative of this time of the year of those members of the forces who are serving abroad in any one of the over 60 conflict zones of the world. And I actually had mentioned it as well in my Christmas message. But I do know that anything we say will be insufficient to deal with the grief which his mother must be carrying at this present time. And to her and the other members of the family, as President of Ireland, I have already, and I repeat again, I express my deepest sympathy. I have always thought at this time of the year for the forces abroad that we must in a particular way think of their families, because their work for peace, a peace we so badly need in the world, is carried through the sacrifices of their family at home, and it's always a very joyous occasion when they come safely back from where they have served. But we so wish his family, we so wish them solidarity at this present time. So, er yesh te go raibh anam oso.